Competitiveness, dynamics, and performance in a bottle. This is the recipe for quick success. This is the taste of your brand, enabling thousands of consumers longing for refreshment to step up a gear. The Hell Energy plant is located in Szikszo, northeast Hungary, Eastern Europe. It was built as an 11-hectare greenfield investment. The site combines our one-of-a-kind 7,000 square meter metal can filling plant with a 6,000 square meter logistics center. Although the plant operates at a high level of output, it still has free capacity. The taste of success is guaranteed by these 5 deep-drilled wells. The high-quality mineral water flows through a stainless steel corrosion-resistant system to the water treatment facility. Here, active filters are used to optimize the water's mineral content. Only water optimized for human consumption guarantees the quality product. Filtered water then flows into the state-of-the-art syrup room. Here, the ingredients are being prepared with our expertise according to your recipe. The energy drink and beverage tanks are capable of storing 9,000 liters or 18,000 liters of syrup respectively. Cleaning of the system is computer controlled, as is measuring and mixing. Acid and alkali flow into these huge tanks. The operator only needs to choose the right program and the sterilization begins. Here we have reached the heart of the factory. The syrups coming from the tanks continue their route toward 2 filling lines. On the first one, the cans are filled with energy drinks, approximately 300 million cans in 1 year. The aluminum cans, printed with a unique design, arrive to the factory on pallets from other plants. The first checkpoint helps prevent the congestion of cans. While at the second checkpoint, a photo is taken by a computer. The system rejects each and every faulty or contaminated can. Before filling, the perfect cans get turned upside down and are washed by a machine. The essence arrives from the kitchen through pipes, is mixed with water and gas, then falls freely from the buffer tank into the spinning cans. This revolver-like spinning machine is capable of filling 64 cans per rotation, adding up to 48,000 cans per hour. The head of the lidding machine can close 13 aluminum cans per second. I'm going to check the lid. To do that, I have to cut the can. All the parameters are adequate. All closed cans must go through quality control. It would be unacceptable for consumers to receive less than the optimal quantity in a can. If it's important for your brand to give energizing power without preservatives, pasteurization is the best choice. 2 large boilers produce the steam necessary for the 2-level pasteurizer, which can guarantee the long-lasting quality of the product, free of preservatives. Steam needed for adequate operation of the pasteurizer is provided by 2 large boilers, using a huge amount of energy. 40 tons of steam is produced in 8 hours, which could supply the daily heating needs of a town of 6,000. The PET line curving next to the can lidding line is a brand new technology of the German Krones company. The monoblock system blows and fills the PET bottle at the same time. In order to shape the unique bottle of your product, the operator loads the test tube-like molds into the system at the beginning of the line. In each stretch blow molder, The preheated plastic takes its shape under 40 bars of pressure. After leaving the sauna of the molds, bottles obtain their solid states under a cold water shower. The sparkling or still beverages are sprayed into the bottle by the volumetric filling system, which utilizes 80 filling valves. The precise mixer, which ensures the perfect mixture of the syrup and the sterilizing instant pasteurizer, together provide the guarantee for the stirring freshness of the drinks. The capping machine is able to close 20,000 bottles per hour. The system never stops, not even when the lidding line is being set for another production run. The stable collateral is based on the buffer table from which, contrary to traditional lines, the bottles continue their route in the same order as they were filled. In that way, every single piece of the line can be traced back later. The dynamics of the two conveyor belts is ensured by sophisticated automated controls. The computers that coordinate the production units constantly communicate with one another. This ensures that in case of a failure, the whole system reacts at once by returning to the balanced rhythm of production. The factory is capable of filling all types of aluminum cans: 250 milliliter slim, 296 milliliter, 355 milliliter slick, 473 and 500 milliliter super slick. In case of the PET bottles, besides the 330, 500 and 750 milliliter, it produces and fills the 1.5 and 2.5 liter bottles as well. This is a unique capability in Europe today. The bottles end up on cardboard trays and pallets, foiled together in the intelligent warehouse management-based logistics center. The carts autonomously navigate among the shelves on the narrow corridors thanks to the built-in chips in the floor. The inductive fiber in the floor directs the carts with centimeter accuracy within the enormous warehouse. Here, 12,000 pallets of bottled beverages wait for departure. Our plant can produce 1,400 pallets a day. This means 1,148,000 kilograms of products, which load 54 trucks. If the pallets were piled up, it would build a 2-kilometer high tower. Continuous professional control with state-of-the-art technology are the trademarks of our factory. Lab workers examine the volume, density, gas content, and pH value of the product every hour, as well as the right measurement of ingredients and their quality. The soft drinks undergo strict bacterial testing as well. All the manufactured products correspond to the FSSC 22000 food safety standard, the strictest in the food industry. The batch number contains all the information about the finished beverages. Therefore, the origin of the ingredients and the export country of the cans can be easily traced. This electric cart, for example, is loaded with drinks for Germany. Its wheels are made of special white rubber, leaving no black marks. The floor of the kitchen and the production area is covered with bacteria-repellent resin, and wastewater is cleaned by the plant's own drainage system. Everything here is about hygiene, environmental protection, and innovation. Last autumn, our factory was nominated for the Strategic Manufacturing Award, the Oscar of manufacturing plants. We're among the top 3 factories in Europe. Finally, a soft crack releases the canned freshness, and the long journey of the mineral water from deep inside the earth results in lots of smiling customers.